everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna introduce a paper drill bit to make holes for papers. Okay, in my hand, this is the straight shank paper drill bit. It's made of high-speed steel. Diameter is 3.5 millimeter. Overall length is 70 millimeter. The holder diameter is 11 millimeter. Okay, holder length is 28.5 millimeter. The drill bit length is 35 millimeter. Alright, tapered paper drill bit for Uchida and many other kinds electric punching machine. Alright, welcome to send us the inquiry to get free samples. Okay, that's all for my channel. Follow us if you are interested in. Give a like.